welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some junk earrings. Now I've heard of junk bracelets, I've heard of junk charms. I don't think I've seen any junk earrings, but to be fair, I haven't really looked for any. I actually came upon this by just experimenting. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I haven't finished, but this is what I would call a junk earring. Of course I have to put on my ear clasp, but I think it turned out really cute, and it turned out so cute that I wanted to do another one. So this one is actually going to, like I say, be holiday inspired. Okay, so I have my bezels here. I have different fillers. These are dried flowers. And I also have some rhinestones just in case. I also have some red and green glitter. I have my tweezers. I know this is for vinyl, but just in case I need to move some stuff around. And of course, need some resin and your UV light. All right, so let's figure out what kind of pattern or design we're gonna do. So I know I wanted to do these right here. I'll pull those out, okay. Okay, all right, so now that they are dry, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the wire clasp to them. The ear clasp to them. So because of the way that it's shaped, I actually don't need to add a split ring or a jump ring. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it directly to the ear wire.